Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are cooking spicy crispy bhindi, which can be served as a side dish with roti, paratha, puri, rice or any bread of your choice, and is a good option for lunchbox and travel food. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get new recipes every week and never miss a video from Big Foodies. And hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make delicious spicy crispy bhindi for your family and friends. Hello friends, for making spicy crispy bhindi masala, we have taken 500 grams of bhindi, which is also called okra or lady finger in some places. We have already washed the bhindi with cold water and we have towel dried it. For preparing the bhindi for spicy crispy bhindi masala, we need to take out both the ends of the bhindi first using a knife, like this. So we will take out the ends of all the bhindis first. So now we have taken out both the ends of all the bhindis. To prepare the bhindi for spicy crispy bhindi, we need to cut the bhindi like this. So cut it from the middle and make it in 2 pieces, and then again give it a cut, and then you can do it either 3 pieces or 2 pieces as per your choice. If it is long, then you can cut it in 3 pieces. Let me show you one more time. This is a small bhindi. For small bhindi, I am just cutting in 2 parts. And if the bhindi is long, you can choose to cut in 3 parts or as per your liking, whatever size you like. Cut it in half, then again cut it in another half, then cut it in 3 parts. So like this we have to prepare all the bhindi. So now we have chopped all the bhindi. For spicy crispy bhindi, let's fry it. So we have heated about 5 to 6 tablespoons of sesame oil or til ka tel in an iron skillet. So if you have the iron skillet, this bhindi tastes best. You can also use any other type of skillet or pan. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, some asafoetida powder, hing powder. Give it a stir and allow the cumin seeds and mustard seeds to crackle. So once cumin seeds and mustard seeds splatter, we need to add the chopped bhindi or okra. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. Now add the salt as per your taste. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. So we will not be covering the bhindi while we are cooking it. We need to cook it without any lid. Keep the flame on medium while you are cooking it. So we need to cook the bhindi for at least 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame, because we are making the spicy crispy bhindi. You can decide the crispiness as per your choice. We will be cooking it for 10 to 12 minutes on a medium flame, and we need to keep stirring it occasionally in between. So we have been cooking the bhindi for a good amount of 12 minutes on a medium flame, and we have kept stirring it in between. So now let's add the spices. Now add the red chili powder as per your taste. Because we are making spicy bhindi, so we will add a good amount of red chili powder here. So now add 3 to 4 teaspoons of coriander powder. Mix it well. So you can decide the crispiness of the bhindi as per your taste. If you want to make it more crispy, you can still roast it for more amount of time as per your choice. Now add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix the spices and garam masala well. So we need to cook it for 2 more minutes on a medium flame. Then our spicy crispy bhindi will be done. So now our spicy crispy bhindi is done, and we can turn off the flame and serve it. So now we have served the spicy crispy bhindi, and this bhindi really tastes very delicious with roti, paratha or any puris. Enjoy it with your family and friends, and if you like this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for many more delicious recipes, and don't forget to like and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.